Hi dear students, welcome to my channel Maths with Panindra. In this episode, we are going to discuss the functions, very short answer type questions we are going to discuss. In this, first step by step we have to learn first definition of one. Just briefly I am explaining with an examples. First one function or injection, onto function or surjection and bijection. Definition by definition we have to learn in this video. So first of all, what is one function? One function. Suppose in that examination sometimes they will ask, why? Because this pandemic situation, they will ask instead of questions, define one function with an example. Define onto function or surjection with an example. Define bijection. Like this they may chances to ask this year. So anyway it is concept now. So conceptually they may chances to ask in the public examinations either in CBSE 11th or in intermediate first year mathematics 1A. So there may be chances to ask these type of questions. So we have to discuss now. So define one function. Define one function or injection. What is the meaning of one function? The function f is defining from A to B, where A is domain, B is codomain. F is defining from A to B is a function. If different elements of A have different images in B, suppose here, observe the figure. This is A set, this is B set. In A set, I am taking 1, 2, 3. In B set, we are taking A, B, C, D like this. Now, 1 is related to A, 2 is related to C, and 3 is related to D. You can leave that B. Different elements are having different F images. The elements which are belongs to in A is, this is domain, this is codomain. How to define it is, the function f is defining from A to B. That means we can read as f of 1 is equal to A, f of 2 equal to C, f of 3 equal to D. Like this you have to form a function f equal to 1 comma A in order pair, 2 comma C, 3 comma D. So now I will write the definition. F from A to B is a function if different elements of A, if different elements A have different images, F images, different F images in B, then F is said to be, or then F is called, then F from A to B is called one function or injection. For example, let x1 comma x2 belongs to A, f of x1 comma f of x2 belongs to B, then such that f of x1 equal to f of x2, that implies that x1 equal to x2. This is the definition of 1 function. Even we can represent like this also. For all x1 comma x2 belongs to A and f of x1 f of x2 belongs to B. Different images imply the different elements. That only we need. For example, question there may be chances to ask. F from R to R, f from R to R, defined by f of x equal to 2x plus 1 by 3, 2x plus 1 divided by 3 is f from R to R defined by f of x equal to 2x plus 1 by 3 is 1 function, is 1 function. Justify your answer. Justify your answer. Then this function is injection. Justify your answer. You will check that. If you prove f of x1 equal to f of x2, that implies x1 equal to x2. If you prove that for the given function, then it is 1 only. Is 1 they are saying. Whether it is 1 or not, we will check that. So for that, what you have to do? First, given function, given that f is defining from R to R, defined as, given that f from R to R be a function defined by f of x is equal to 2x plus 1 divided by 3. After that, you take the 2 points x1, x2. Let x1 comma x2 belongs to, here domain is what? R. Domain here. Both are R only, no? So that's why I am mentioning here domain. x1 comma x2 belongs to R, domain. So now, to prove whether it is 1 or not, I am going to check that. Suppose if you are getting f of x1 equal to f of x2, that implies x1 equals to x2, then the function is 1. So here consider f of x1 is equal to f of x2. That implies that f of x is 2x plus 1 by 3. F of x1 means wherever x is there, x1 you have to replace. So 2x1 plus 1 divided by 3, which is equal to 2x2 plus 1 divided by 3. So here 3 get cancelled. That implies 2x1 plus 1 equal to 2x2 plus 1. So here 1 get cancelled. That implies 2x1 equal to 2x2. 2 get cancelled. That implies x1 equal to x2. Therefore, f of x1 is equal to f of x2. That implies x1 equal to x2. Whenever this condition we got it, the given function f of x is defining from R to R as f of x equal to 2x plus 1 by 3 is 1 function. Is 1 function. Hence the function is 1. Therefore, f from R to R f is 1 function or injection. like this definition and example. We will discuss another one on to next. We will discuss the definition of onto function. Define onto function or surjection. F from A to B is a function. F from A to B is a function. If every element of B, if every element of B, every element of B having at least one pre-image, at least one pre-image in A, then F from A to B is said to be onto function or surjection. Onto function or surjection. F from A to B is a function if every element of B, here this is the domain, this is the codomain A and B. F is defining from A to B. Every element of B, here I am taking A, B, C. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Every element of B is a pre-image, even more than one, at least one image they are saying that, having at least one pre-image. That means at least one means either one or two. You can like this also we can write. So we can frame as a function f equal to 1 comma A, 2 comma B, 3 comma A and 4 comma C. So f is onto function. Why? Because f is every element of A. Here no element is remaining. So here no element is vacant here. So every element is having pre-image in A. So then the function f of A equal to B. That is the meaning of this one. No? F from A to B is onto function. In other words, A belongs to A for every, like this you can write, for all B belongs to capital B such that f of A equal to B. So A belongs to capital A, B belongs to capital B. Or we can write like this also, f of A is equal to B. Codomain equal to range. B is equal to range. Codomain. Domain. Codomain equal to range of the function. F of A equal to B. So now, based on this one, we will take one example. If f is defining from n to n, n means natural numbers. Both domain and codomain both are natural numbers. Defined as f of x equal to 2x plus 3 is f onto. Is the function is onto, they are questioning. Suppose if it is onto, you can give the explanation with the reason. If it is not onto, give the explanation. See first onto, to prove the onto, f of a equal to b. Here I am taking f of x as y is equal to f of x. Now, given function f from n to n, natural numbers to natural numbers, both are domain and codomain, both are natural numbers. Given function f from n to n defined as f of x equal to 2x plus 3. Let y is equal to f of x, that also equal to 2x plus 3, and To prove on to f of a equal to b, no? So f of n is equal to n. F of n is equal to n, where here n value is natural numbers. Natural numbers. We know that natural numbers 1, 2, 3 and so on. So it will becomes, this is n is codomain equal to f of 1, f of 2, f of 3 and so on. So non-negative, only 1, 2, 3 and so on. So f of n is equal to n. From this, y is equal to 2x plus 3. That implies that 2x equal to y minus 3. Here I am taking this sign. X is equal to y minus 3 by 2. This y minus 3 by 2 means it is p by q form. No? This value does not belongs to n. X is equal to y minus 3 by 2. For some y value of some y value, here this is the explanation one here. For some y value, some x y z any value, some y value, for some y value, x does not belongs to n, therefore f from n to n is not onto function or surjection, onto function or surjection. Why? Because suppose if you take y is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 which belongs to 1 only, n only, no. So 1 minus 3 by 2 means minus 1. But x is equal to minus 1 does not belongs to n, no. So that is the reason for some value of y, the value of x does not belongs to n. This is the right explanation. This is the correct reason. For some y value x does not belongs to n, that is the reason the given function f from n to n, f of x equal to 2x plus 3 is not onto. Next we will discuss bijection. Next, third one, define bijection. We know that the function f is defining from a to b is said to be bijection if it is both injection and surjection. See here, the function f from a to b is said to be bijection. First point, if f of a1 equal to f of a2, that implies that a1 equal to a2 for all a1 comma a2 belongs to capital A, and f of a1 f of a2 belongs to capital B. And second one, for all small b belongs to capital B, there exists small a belongs to capital A such that f of a equal to b. Whenever these two conditions are satisfied, the given function is said to be bijection. So for example, in general, diagrammatically, we will discuss A is domain and B is another set. A, B are the two. Here 1, 2, 3. Here A, B, C can take. Suppose A is related to 1 is related to A, 2 is related to B, 3 is related to C. So F defined from that. F is defining from A to B. So F defines as 1 comma A, 2 comma B and 3 comma C. Observe that different elements of A having different images in B. So f of 1 equal to A, f of 2 equal to B, f of 3 equal to C. Different elements, different images. So first condition was satisfied. And for every B belongs to small b, capital B, such that there exists at least one pre-image in A, such that f of A equal to B. There exists at least one A here. There exists at least A belongs to capital A, such that f of A equal to B. This is the definition of bijection. One question we will discuss. In Telugu Academy we have that. The question is f from Q to Q defined as f of x equal to 5x plus 4 is f from Q to Q defined as f of x equal to 5x plus 4 is bijection. We will check that. Suppose whenever f of a1 equal to f of a2, that implies a1 equal to a2, or here in terms of x's there means f of x1 equal to f of x2, that implies x1 equal to x2, then f of x is 1 1, or injection f of a equal to b, or f of x is equal to y, then the function is onto. If both are satisfying, the function is bijection. If not possible, so function is not bijection. Is this function is bijection? They are asking. We will discuss. See here, first, given function, given that f is defining from Q to Q, defined as f of x equal to 5x plus 4 let x1 comma x2 belongs to Q. Q is the domain. It's a domain. Now consider f of x1 is equal to f of x2, which belongs to B. B means codomain. That implies that f of x is 5x plus 4. F of x1 means 5x1 plus 4 equal to 5x2 plus 4. Both sides 4 get cancelled. 5x1 equal to 5x2. Both sides 5 get cancelled. That implies x1 is equal to x2. Therefore, f of x1 equal to f of x2. That implies that x1 equal to x2. Therefore, f from Q to Q is 1 function or injection. So this is equation number 1. Similarly, for all here x1 y1, no? For all y belongs to Q, codomain. Let y is equal to, let y belongs to Q, let y is equal to f of x, which is equal to how much it is 5x plus 4. That implies that y minus 4 is equal to 5x. That implies x is equal to y minus 4 divided by 5. This is belongs to Q. This is domain. X value, x value belongs to domain. This is domain, this is codomain. Now, f of x equal to, what is f of x? 5x plus 4. 5 into, in place of x, substitute this value. Y minus 4 divided by 5 plus 4. 5 get cancelled. Y minus 4 plus 4 get cancelled, which is equal to y. Therefore, f of x is equal to y. f of a equal to b means what? The function is onto or surjection. F of x is equal to y. Therefore, for all y belongs to capital Q, codomain, y belongs to capital Q, codomain, there exists at least one previous small x belongs to Q domain, then f of x is equal to y. Therefore, f from Q to Q is surjection or onto. Equation number 2. From 1 and 2, we conclude that from 1 and 2, we get f from Q to Q is bijection. Bijection. Hence the set. The next one, define even function and odd function. This concept will be very useful in any competitive exams, or in any case we will use this even function and odd function. See here, let f from a to r, where a is a non-empty set defining from a to real numbers, is said to be an even function if f of minus x is equal to f of x. The function f of x is said to be simply, the function f of x is said to be an even function, f of minus x equal to f of x. For example, f of x is equal to cos x, you can take. Trigonometry function I am taking. I will check. F of minus x you can calculate. Cos of, that means wherever x is there, minus x you have to replace. Cos of minus x. We know that cos of minus theta is cos theta only. So cos of minus x is equal to cos x. Cos x means what? F of x. Therefore, whenever f of minus x is equal to f of x, that implies that f of x is an even function. Is an even function. One more example. This is trigonometry example. We will take algebraic example. F of x is equal to x square plus x power 4 or 4x power 4. Anything you can take. F of minus x, wherever x is there, minus x you have to replace. Minus x whole square plus 4 into minus x whole power 4. Minus x whole square, it will become plus x square. 4 into minus x whole power 4, x power 4. Is it equal to f of x or not? F of x. Therefore, f of minus x equal to f of x. That implies given function f of x is an even function. As in even function. Similarly, the function f of x is said to be an odd function. Same. F is defining from a non-empty set A to R, where A is the subset of R. F from A to B, A to R, where A is non-empty subset of R, is said to be an odd function if f of minus x is equal to minus f of x for all x belongs to A. For all x belongs to A. Here also we will take one examples. F of x is equal to sin x plus x. Sin x plus x. whether it is even function or odd function. Check. What you have to do, wherever x is there, minus x you have to replace. Sine of minus x. So plus minus x, which is equal to sine of minus theta is minus sin theta. So minus sine x minus x, which is equal to minus of sine x plus x, which is equal to minus f of x. So f of minus x is equal to minus f of x. Then f of x is an odd function. Is an odd function. Similarly, you can take some algebraic function. F of x is equal to 3x cube plus 5x power 4. 5x power 7. Here also you can check that f of minus x equal to 3 into minus x whole power 3 plus 5 into minus x whole power 7. 3 into minus x whole cube, 3 times, odd number of times, it will become minus. So minus x cube plus 5 into, again here minus x power 7, odd number of times minus only will come. Minus 3x cube minus 5x power 7 minus, you take common, 3x cube plus 5x power 7, which is equal to minus of f of x. So f of minus x is equal to minus f of x. So the given f of x is an odd function. Is an odd function. This is the way you have to give the definitions as well as examples. The next question, which are very important for VSQs. First question in this. F from R to R is defined by f of x equal to 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Then show that f of tan theta equal to cos 2 theta. Second question, f is defining from R minus plus or minus 1 is defined by f of x equal to log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x. Then show that f of 2x by 1 plus x square equal to 2 times of f of x. Yeah, first question here. F from R minus plus R minus 1 to R is there. I forgot to write that. So consider the first question here. The first question. Given f of x equal to 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. They are asking to show that f of tan theta equal to. Now f of tan theta equal to. So wherever x is there, tan theta you have to replace. 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta is the formula for cos 2 theta in terms of tan. So cos 2 theta. Therefore, f of tan theta equal to cos 2 theta. Hence proved. Come to the second question. In the second question, function is what? Given f of x is equal to log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x. They are asking to show that f of 2x by 1 plus x square. So wherever x is there, 2x by 1 plus x square. Consider now f of 2x by 1 plus x square. So wherever x is there in this, you have to replace with this value. Log of 1 plus 2x by 1 plus x square divided by 1 minus 2x by 1 plus x square. So which is equal to log mod, taking LCM, 1 plus x square plus 2x divided by 1 plus x square whole divided by 1 plus x square is the LCM, 1 plus x square minus 2x. So these two will be cancelled. Log mod x square plus 2x plus 1 is the expansion of 1 plus x whole square divided by x square plus 1 square plus x square minus 2x. 1 minus x whole square expansion. So log of a square by b square means a by b whole square we can write. So which is equal to log mod 1 plus x by 1 minus x whole square. Log a power m is m into log a, which is equal to, we can write it as 2 into log 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x. Since log a power m is equal to m log a. So now 2 into, this is f of x only, no? Therefore, conclusion step, f of 2x plus 2x by 1 plus x square is equal to 2 times of f of x. Hence the result. The next question. If f from r minus 0 to r is defined by f of x equal to x cube minus 1 by x cube, then show that f of x plus 1 by f of x equal to f of 1 by x equal to 0. So it's a very simple problem and easy problem. It will come for 2 marks. Given f of x equal to x cube minus 1 by x cube. After that, in the question, f of x plus f of 1 by x they are asking. So f of 1 by x also we need to calculate. F of 1 by x, that means wherever x is there, 1 by x you have to replace. So 1 by x whole cube minus 1 by x whole cube, which is equal to 1 by x cube minus 1 by x cube. Denominator of denominator numerator. 1 by x cube minus x cube, this is the value of f of 1 by x. After getting of f of x and f of 1 by x, add both the values. Therefore, now consider f of x plus f of 1 by x is equal to, f of x means x cube minus 1 by x cube plus f of 1 by x, 1 by x cube minus x cube plus x cube minus x cube minus 1 by x cube plus 1 by x cube get cancelled, which is equal to 0. Therefore, f of x plus f of 1 by x is equal to 0. Thank you dear students for watching my channel. Please do subscribe and share to your friends and relatives. In the next video, we are going to come with problems, range problems, finding codomain values. With that, we will come there. Thank you all. Good evening.